Yes. Yan po yung diagram. Tingnan natin yung metal. Metal is deficient and then yan, yung counter niya, yung sa gallbladder, okay? This is the explanation. So in this diagram, the lung yin is deficient and is therefore unable to send yin to the gallbladder and control its yang. As a result, gallbladder yang rises. This means controlling cycle is not functioning well. If the lung does not control the gallbladder on the controlling cycle, and if the gallbladder yang gets higher than the lung yang, then gallbladder yang will control lung yin. Gallbladder yang would flow to the lung, controlling the lung yin and increase the lung yang. Okay? Because this energy flow occurs in the opposite direction to the normal flow, it is called counter-powering cycle. Okay? When energy flows in the opposite way, it is called death. Namatay na. The treatment must aim to restore the normal direction of energy flow. Okay? Treatment, the first we will be using is the gallbladder 38 sedation. We should disperse the excess gallbladder yang and send in the normal way. Use lung 1 or the move front move, and the lung 7, which is the low point, to tonify the lung yin to reassert control of lung yin on gallbladder yang. Okay? This explains why wind symptoms manifest mostly in the lungs and skin, even though internal wind is generated by the liver. Okay? So here is an example of counterpowering cycle. Hepatitis with jaundice and pruritus is a good example for this counterflow. Not every patient who has hepatitis gets skin irritation. Only those patients who have lung deficiency with very dry skin will suffer these symptoms. This means if wind symptoms manifest on the lung must be quite yin deficient, okay? Energy always flows from where it is in excess to where it is deficient. If lung yin was in a strong position, it would flow to gallbladder and control its yang and indirectly also the yang of the liver.